Everybody, Big Mike, Total Solutions, out today, not in the snow for a change, which is nice. But just wanted to touch base with you guys, talk a little bit today about, I love helping businesses with their solutions. My whole team likes to make people efficient and drive value. But one of my favorite parts is getting out and going to learn about what other local businesses do. It always amazes me the little gems that we find in Utica, family-owned or multiple generation operations that have been here 100 years, 200 years sometimes, that service our local community. And for us, we do that for two reasons. We do it because we want to learn about them and find out, obviously, if there's a way we can support them. But more importantly, sometimes the way we work here, and there's so much going on, you just can't have one partner to do everything. You need to be able to say, well, that partner's got a really big project, they're busy, but I have a small customer need over here, I need a backup plan. So we're constantly working relationships and trying to just learn and understand how other businesses operate. So if we see an opportunity that's a good fit for them, we can make the call and say, hey, let's get involved, and we keep that business local. That's the other thing that's most important. We keep it local to us and understand our local values and how to make everybody better in our community. But it's got to be by far one of my most favorite things to do, and go out there and see what else is going on and learn about it all the time. All right, anyway, wanted to share that little tip with you. So we'll be out there, and watch for us. Maybe we can help you. Have a good day.